Good morning, my dear friends. This is Govind. In our life, some days will be better, and some days will get worse. Every one of us will face many problems in our day to day life, problems in our workplace, problems in our home, etc. But some people will keep on complaining about problems again and again. They won't solve the problem until the death. We have to focus on the solution to solve the problem. Problem solving is an important skill that everyone have to learn. There is a concept where the Romans used to solve the problem that's called solvitas perambula. Solvitas perambula. It's nothing but solve it when you walk. Solve it when you walk. When you want to create a new idea and to solve the problem, just get out of your seat and push yourself from the working table. Go for a gentle walk. Your mind will get relaxed. Then you can think about your ideas and about your problems. Simply standing itself, it increases 10% oxygen to your brain. So your mind will get relaxed and it will get more relaxed. Then the new ideas will be generated. Just go for a relaxed walk, then have a coffee in the coffee shop, sit under a tree, sit in a park, watch the people around you, and relax yourself and think about your new ideas, think about the solutions to the problem. The poet Robert Frost once said, an idea is a feat of association. When you take yourself from the workplace or the familiar surroundings of the home, you open yourself to your new and great interesting ideas. And this is called solvitas perambula. The place where you get relaxed, either the coffee shop or the park under the tree. You can call it as stimulant or association, whatever it is. Your mind will get more and more relaxed, and there you can get the new interesting ideas and the solution to solve your problems. So this is called solvitas perambula. If you had a problem in your workplace and if you had a problem in your home, just get out from your place and go for a gentle walk, and then you will get new and great and more interesting ideas and the solutions to solve your problems. So, if you had any problems in your life, just get off and get out.